Good morning, this is our first practice with Arduino. My name is Erika García.
And my name is Vale Peralta. So basically what we are going to say is that Kika is going to ask me a question and I'm going to answer with the Arduino and vice versa.
So Vale, which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is the blue. What's your name?
My name is Erika. So this is my Morse code, and first of all I have to wake up the LEDs 6, 7 and 8. Then I have to specify if I want it to be a dot, it has to be turned on 1 second, and if I want to use another letter it has to wait 3 seconds, and if I want to use a line it has to be turned on 3 seconds. So this is E, R, I, K, and A.
So in my case, the LEDs that I'm waking up is the 6, 7 and 8. And this is my result. B, L, U, and E.